Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you all are okay. So let's get down to the business. I'm gonna show you how to install ZBUZ in simple steps. So first of all, we're gonna open a browser, type ZBUZ, click on the first option, scroll down, click on the first option, Setup English. Click on Download Now. Once we have downloaded the file, we have to open the File Explorer, go to Downloads, and here we have the file. So we have to do a double click, allow the permissions, select the first option, I accept the agreement, click on Next, 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 Install, and finish. We can close this one. We can close the File Explorer as well. And if we go to the desktop, now we can see that we have the app. So we can open it, double click, allow the permissions. And that'll do it. We have the app ZBUZ. So basically in this program, you can see all of the information about your PC. You can see the CPU information, the mainboard, memory, the graphics. So this program is very useful if you need to know about your components, and it will be very helpful when you need to change or when you need to upgrade these components. Well, basically that'll do it, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and well, I'll see you in